Hey guys, it's Neon Purple here. We're about to start a challenge where we survive 100 days in the infinite IKEA. So where we're at right now is actually my castle, and those are the people that will actually be joining us in the infinite IKEA survival thing. So I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna go get them so we can start. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, and check out more of me. So anyways, let's go.
What is it?
Can I stab people?
No. No! We are now starting this! I'm confused on
Okay.
what we're doing.
So basically, we're trying to survive 100 days. Oh, and if you die within the 100 days, you get sent back to your dorm room. So if you die, that's
it.
it.
Like you're like kicked out? Like kicked out forever?
Yeah, you're kicked out and cannot join back.
Oh. Someone says, can I join? Some of my friends says, I can do this! I got hit! Watch out! For my game lag, I'm sorry. For my game lag. How do you make it do that? How do you make it do that? Like, just go here. Because you're sitting. You're laying.
Alright, guys, build our bases, okay? Listen. I call beds. A little bit of the bed.
Okay.
A little bit.
Everybody can start their own different bases elsewhere if they want to. Like,
I'll take
Alright, I'm gonna build mine here. Guys, this is my room, okay? Can I have this room?
I'm building on the far left.
Yeah.
Actually, no.
I'm building right here. I'm building right now.
I'm building on the back left. Back left is mine.
I'm being smaller than all of you. I know how to fly.
Yeah, I don't trust you, microwave.
No, Pedro.
And I invited Emma back.
Hey, who's with me?
What?
I was asking if anyone wants to build a base with me.
Oh yeah, sure, I'll build a base too. Okay.
Huh?
Also, I set the timer on my video for an hour. Like, I set the timer for an hour just in case if I needed to stop it.
Just gonna stay
Alright,
inside.
okay, if we're building a base, should we make it like, should we block out the walls, or should we make a base like in the middle?
Yeah.
I'm literally just gonna get out again.
Yeah. Come room with us. We're building a base.
Yeah, we're gonna build a base. Oh, what kind of base though? Like, block out the walls, or build a base in the middle?
Let's block out the walls.
Alright. I can't get anything. Crap.
Oh crap.
Shoot.
Hey, nobody steal.
No,
If you see something already built, don't steal it.
I'm inside here. Don't steal it.
Oh.
That worked.
And also, we need to, like, make a thing in the middle just in case, like, when it gets nighttime or something.
Guys,
Here.
I can't.
Move
I'll
down.
go get some supplies. I'll be back.
Okay.
I already found my sword.
Wait.
Alright.
We'll use these. Here, we'll use these to block off some of this stuff.
I'm going to place that there.
This is the apocalypse in here.
Yeah, seriously. This is the IKEA apocalypse.
On. For real.
Should be almost nighttime.
Here. I got some more stuff.
I'm gonna go check up on them. Oh crap, never mind.
No.
Never
We build.
Come on, Hyper. Get some time to close the walls.
I know.
Wait, where's your
I
sword?
think we're good.
Where's your sword?
They can get. They wouldn't.
Where's your sword, Hyper?
I don't know. I don't know. Sword.
Can I join you guys?
No, it's dangerous in here. There's only 2 in here. We already have two in here.
How did you lose your sword?
Oh.
Start building up. Start building up. Hurry, hurry, build up, build up. I fell. Only choice. I'm sorry, guys.
Hyper, where's your... Did he just leave us?
Yes, I did. I'm fine, guys.
Okay. No. Hyper! What?
Let him come back. He's recording a video.
Okay, you only get 2 tries, okay? That's the rule. No more changing. You're not allowed to change anymore. Only 2 tries. Wait. Oh, dang it.
No, build up. Right when you guys.
Okay, only 2 tries. Only 2 tries, and that's it.
Only 2.
And Hyper, you need to see who's standing on the thing before you grab it.
I know.
You're going to be
the outside. No,
you're going to be the death of us, Hyper. Hyper, you're going to be the death of us.
Kind of scared.
Also in the morning, I'm going to tell them about the change. You spent one of my lives.
Fine, kill me. I'll die for you.
No, I can't. Wait, no, Hyper, you don't need to die. Hyper, you don't need to die. Hyper, you don't need to die. Hyper.
Too late. No. It's your fault. Change the plans. 3 lives.
I get one more chance because of your ignorance.
I was going out there, okay? I was trying to get okay. That was your fault.
And at least you got a sword back now. I get one more chance because Hyper's an idiot.
I can almost have a chance.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll be banned soon. You don't gotta worry about it.
Hyper, you better be worried you're not dead before you get banned. Oh, fuck. Also, Hyper, you still have your 2 lives because you were just being an idiot.
Hey bro, we didn't die.
Nice! Hyper was being an idiot.
Why?
I don't know. I would like to know the answer to that question too, Hyper. Why were you being an idiot?
Oh, I know what to do. I was getting my life out.
Okay,
well, you kept talking about how, because I messed it up, so I was like, well, I decided just to do it, too.
Hyper, you were fine.
Alright.
Anyways. I'm gonna go look for health potions. Oh yeah, same. I definitely need some. Okay. Got another health potion to whoever wants it. There's no way. Wait. Also, I'm gonna mark down the day we did.
Alright, so how many days are we at on?
Oh my god.
We're on the first day, Hyper.
Hey bro, that's it? It's only the red goblins? Or there's more monsters? Oh, there's more. Shoot. It's fine. Just try to grab. Oh my. You can climb this. Just keep your hands away from the grab button. Hey bro.
Okay, Hyper.
Alright.
First day is done.
Yep.
How are we going to survive?
I don't know, I have 1 life left, so.
You have 2 because you're being an idiot, okay? This is the only chance.
There's no potions.
Day 1 is extremely complicated.
Wish me luck that it doesn't get dark. Be right back. How y'all doing over here? How's your base going?
Please help.
It's good. Look at this, bro. Look at this crap. There's no way they're getting in. Yeah, there's no way they're getting in. Hey, bro, we're staying up here the whole time. Yeah, bro. Yeah, Water. I want you to defend me, okay, bro?
I'm gonna go check on them.
No, I don't want to stay in there. So? Okay, good. For me, just fine.
You guys got like a pillow fort or something going on here.
Yup. Yeah. Exactly. Yes, sir. You know the vibes. Yup.
What?
Hey, I found something, guys! A key!
Key?
Something!
Where did you find that?
It was on the ground! It was weird! How was it?
Get dark.
Watch
right there.
on us.
Yeah, so that you won't drift.
It was right here.
Okay.
Wait, over there! A door! There's a door over here!
Oh, let me see that.
What?
Hey, bro.
Let me see the key.
Oh, no, that's that. There's nothing past that. So,
I don't see
there's
anything.
nothing. Yeah, there's...
We gotta
Yeah.
hold on to.
Go, go, go! Oh,
Go
crap!
for it.
This way! This way! No!
Oh my god, no, no, no.
Did water die?
There's no way.
Did water die?
No! He got stuck in the floor!
He could still come back.
See? Bro, my base is too good. My base is too good.
What happened?
Yo, Neon, bro, look my base, bro.
Wait, did water die?
He got stuck in the ground. He got stuck in the ground.
Dude, I am scared.
Make it, you won't do it. Do it.
No, I'm staying here. This is the safest spot for me. Wait, where's Emma?
It's on the tower over there!
I don't know, it don't matter. She might gonna die.
Never mind, take for this!
Water, come back, bro. Come back, bro.
Guys,
Yes, water. Get up, let's go.
water, get up! Water, get up!
Water, get up.
Oh, guys,
Water, bro.
guys, Jesus,
Bro, I'm stuck.
Jesus, water!
Take out the blue
Found the
pouch!
key.
Take out the blue pouch!
Found the key.
No.
might be an
What's it for?
No! Take out the blue pouch! Take out the blue pouch! Right here!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! No! No! Stop! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! No! I'm dying! I'm dying!
No! Okay, one more time. One more time.
Okay, that's good. No, please! No.
I get one more chance. And only one more chance. Only one more chance. No.
Oh my god, help. Oh my god, help. Oh my god, help. Oh my god. Oh no, no. Coming in.
Oh! I just saw my entire life flash before my eyes.
Do you need it? No, I don't.
Where's the key?
Yeah. There's another one coming.
Okay, no more playing it risky.
I
Oh,
have one life left. Hey, I have one life left.
I also have one life left.
I still have both my lives.
You're lucky.
You're freaking lucky. You watched me die. You watched
Guys,
me die.
we need
right
to find a
there.
door. Maybe we can end this challenge early or something. See?
The key? You still have the key.
I still have the key. And it's too risky to get back into our base. So
No, is it? No, is it? We can get back in the
there's goblins in our base. Our base has been
Is there?
overrun.
Yes! Watch out! Emma, you? This way, go.
Mo is
There's no goblins in your base. Oh, there it is. Never mind. There's one. It's only one.
Okay, I'm getting up top. I haven't had the best of luck.
Me neither.
I've actually had one.
Yeah,
Actually, guys,
Emma's the best.
we're good. We're good. Wait. Oh shoot.
Did Jesus
Wait,
die?
wait. Yep.
Hey, don't touch it. Where is he?
No, watch this. Ready?
Where is he?
Ready. He's gone. He left.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, don't touch it.
Guys, he can come back now. He can come back.
Okay, okay, we gotta tell him that we could end the challenge early by finding the escape route that I didn't know existed.
Hey, there's an escape. We got a key.
Yeah,
Don't
we found the
touch it.
key.
We'll get us out of here.
There's actually an escape to this place. Okay. You wanna come? You wanna come with us
Let's go.
to?
Let's go while we still
come
have
with
daytime.
us to find the escape?
Daytime.
Oh wait, hold up. Let me mark down.
That escape. Always
No,
carry one of these though, just in case. Everyone carry one of these, just in case. If we
I
have
would
to
stay
build
by the
something really
bookshelves.
high up.
We
Actually,
need to
we can climb
find.
up these.
We need to find the door to this place.
What? Look, another door here. Or is this another ending?
Yeah,
an-
that's-
Wait,
that's
there's
an
another
ending.
here. Look, there's more over here. I saw like a building. Oh, there's like a wall. Oh, over here. Wait, there's something
Yeah,
over
you
there.
see that wall too?
Yeah,
Right
the
over
wall.
there.
Keep looking.
And watch it turn dark on us now.
If it does, we go for the
Hey,
bookshelves.
I see something, guys. Come here. I see something through the wall. Look, if you look in the wall, there's something back there. In the very back.
Maybe that's the door.
Oh yeah, wait.
Over here.
No, I think it's over here. I don't know though. I'm just kinda going.
Oh, what?
We need to be on all lookout for the door.
Oh, the door's right there.
There's a door here somewhere.
There's nothing though. What would it be for? Is there something like a... Like... Where's the key go? Then what's the key for if there's nothing here?
We don't know.
Maybe it's something.
Hey,
Alright, we're
Be
good.
any-
be on the lookout
What?
for a door.
A door?
You guys go for that. I'm not going for crap. I'm staying right here.
We can end
Me-
the
me
challenge
and
earlier
water.
if we get to the door. We found a key.
Okay, you guys don't care? I'm staying here.
Oh no!
What?
Shoot! I accidentally grabbed it.
Okay, wait. Fix it. Hurry.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. Wait, bro.
Hey, bro, don't touch it! Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it.
Not you. Oh,
Let's go, guys. We're having a problem. Let's go.
It's gonna be nighttime soon. It's gonna be nighttime soon. We gotta go.
come on. Bro, I can't get out.
I think it's gonna be nighttime soon, Hyper.
Yeah. Wait, look, over here. Guys,
Wait. Get back here, Hyper.
wait. Back here.
Hyper.
Where is he?
We haven't checked back here yet. Follow
Hyper.
my voice.
We'll check in the morning.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Right.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Emma, come on. Emma,
I can't.
Emma.
come on.
Emma.
I can't. I'm
Okay.
trying.
We're gonna help him out.
I can't.
Okay.
There comes your mom over there.
Guys never saw anything, okay? If you're not, no one's got enough. I'm just kidding.
You guys okay over there?
Oh,
Yeah, they're fine. I think.
Yeah, there.
There's Emma.
Emma!
Is Emma still alive?
Emma! Oh, get back. Where's Emma? Walk up. Walk it up.
Well, Emma
there's
hasn't
a lot.
left the game yet. Hasn't left the game, so I count that as a plus. The thing that makes this game even more challenging is that we basically set ourselves to 2 lives.
And we have to leave. And we can't play again, which is so boring. And I have 1 life. Which kind of sucks.
Emma! Not that way! Not that way!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Emma! Emma, come on! Okay. Over the plate. Come on, come on. Come on.
Come on!
Yes, yes! Oh, you're alive. That was scary.
We're still alive.
No,
That helped. That's beneficial.
Okay. Hey, look! I extended my sword! Look, I extended my sword too.
Oh crap, I switched it
Do
up.
this. Hey, just sword. It's easier.
I don't know how to do that.
Do this. Okay, follow me. Okay, grab it, and then press the grip, hold down the grip button, then press drop while holding down the grip button, and then move it up like that and grab it again. And then press the drop button again.
I don't know if it's working for me.
Yeah, this thing kills when you're doing this. Like, you'll survive anything doing this. Oh my god, I'm gonna go help out.
Thank you, Emma. You're a legend, bro. But now it closed. No.
Oh god, there's one in the ground.
We're good. We're good. We're fine. We're fine. Oh, we're close. We're good.
Still,
There's more to the ground.
Wait. Get up here. 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 Get up here.
We're good.
I'm drifting. Can I catch? Oh, okay. I forgot. Wait. Get on that side. Watch out. Move.
right now we're basically teaming up.
Okay, we're good. Cause I can put the shield down here. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you're gonna be like right here. Exactly, we're good. Is that it? We're done? Oh, there's no more.
You're good.
Water!
You're good.
We're good.
Yeah, good. Nice, you're gonna get a fly.
Behind you! Watch out! One left!
Holy crap.
Dude, is anyone still on their second life?
They might be.
I'm on first.
I'm on my first.
I'm down to my last.
Wait, you're on your last one. Wait, I'm on my last.
Wait, has water left?
No, why is it lagging out for some reason? I don't know why. I have no clue why. No clue.
Anyways, let's go find that door. Oh wait, also I need to change the day.
This way. Let me see the key. I'll go. I'm the more riskier one.
Okay, here you go.
Y'all build a base, okay? Y'all keep building the base. I'll join back.
My game lag. Bro, my game. Water. I made it better. I made it better.
Nope.
You know I'm not dead, right? Who would have a lock? Wait, what if that was a key for a crate? You wanna check all the crates and stuff?
Is there crates?
Yeah.
Is there even crates?
Yeah, there's crates here.
Go.
Gotta get to high
On
ground.
the shelf.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Let's get on the shelf. Oops, sorry.
Come on. We all pick our own shelf.
Wait, where's Emma?
don't know. Emma!
I swear, she will make it longer than all of us.
Yeah.
I'm okay, thanks for asking.
Yeah, we were actually
We're
worried about you.
We were praying for you.
Dude, I'm literally invincible.
Seriously. You make it longer than any of us.
Hey,
You see that?
we have 3 health potions, so we're good for all 3 of us. So,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my sword out. Ah. Hey, just glitch it. Just glitch your sword.
I have no idea how to do that. Never been good with cheats and stuff. How does she keep disappearing?
She's over here. Getting more potions. Let me see a potion! Just stay over there. I'm gonna go get some more potions for us to have. Hey, we need 4
Okay.
potions, so I'm gonna go look for another potion. Wait, is that potion?
Yeah, I found a potion.
Okay, so we have 1, 2... How many do you have, Emma? 3, 4. Alright, 2. So... Ooh, I need 1. Now we have 5.
We have so many
Wait.
potions. Here you go.
No, here. Now we have 5. Alright, so I have 1, 2, Emma has 1, 2, and you have 1, so that's 5. Now you need 1 more, but that key.
Yeah,
We need
the key is taking the place. We gotta hold on to this key. We don't know
I'm
what
gonna,
it does.
this will be theirs. I'm gonna go give this to them.
Bro, I'm invincible.
Yeah, seriously. If I was, like, trying to survive a world, I would choose you to help me defend myself.
Good try.
Oh god. Did Hyper...
I still can't find. I still can't freaking find everything. What is?
Your things are over here, and your sword is
What
gone.
happened? What did he move it? Wait, for accident. I moved it for accident. We should be good. We should be good. We should be good. We're fine. We're fine. Stay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Bro,
Hey, Emma, you might want this extra sword.
Bro, how did he get tricked? How did he get tricked? I don't know. It just appeared. Okay, do not get nowhere near me. Get nowhere near me. No, get away from me, bro. Oh, frick. No!
Hyper, no!
Hyper's out! Hyper's out!
Hyper, no!
Hyper's done!
Hyper!
Yeah.
Oh,
come Bye, guys.
Hyper's done! Hyper's done!
I'm sorry, Hyper.
Hyper's done!
Okay.
You did good. Get Hyper out! Get him out of here!
No, I'm not.
I'll give him a minute.
No, I do.
We're going.
Let's do.
Bro, Hyper's out! He's dead twice! Hyper's out, bro!
Alright. Bye, guys.
Bye, Hyper!
We're sorry, Hyper.
Nice one, you two, bro!
We'll tell you what happened.
Let me, bro. Let me out of here. You're cool, bro. You're pretty cool. Let's go.
Yeah. We're already friends.
Thanks.
We're already
Good job.
friends.
Good try. Good
Oh,
try,
hey,
bro.
I did that for y'all. I did that for you, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to protect.
I didn't. No. This man trying to kill me. My guy trying to kill me. You trying to kill me. No, I was on the couch. My guy literally removed me. I still died. Aw, man. Rest in peace. Not rest in peace. Like whatever.
Rest in the VR,
Nah.
VR afterlife.
Now it's only us 4 now. Let's go. What day is this? 4? 5?
Day
5, 4,
four.
5, 4. Day 4? Oh god, sounds good.
Hey, we gotta find the
How do
exit.
I put this on it on your thing. No, baby. Can you guys tell me how to put this on your thing?
Yeah, we gotta find the exit and we gotta find it fast. We might not survive all the way to day 100.
Okay, guys, can you guys like help me like how you do this? Like put it right here. Bro.
Wait,
No, but how you make it? How you put it on your side?
Yeah.
I'm so sad about
Yo,
Hyper.
Hyper's still in here.
Yo, Hyper, where are you?
He's hiding. Where is he?
Because I saw him running.
Oh, he's over there.
Okay.
He's over there.
Hyper could be like a ghost. He can like just hang around and not really do anything.
Hello, Hyper. Yeah. You just
And
wait for it to
load me out. It's still loading me out. No, it's still loading me out. Come on. Going to dorm room. What's up with my internet? Hold on. You know, I'm just gonna leave rec room. So it won't let me leave. Alright. Bye, guys.
Hey, you could stay here as a ghost if you want to, or something.
Huh?
You could stay here as a
What
ghost.
could be a ghost?
Like, don't really do anything.
Okay, so I'll sit around.
Yeah, just sit around and stuff. Not really contributing, just watching the fight.
Yeah. I'll sit, like, just basically with no sword or anything, and just sit here and watch y'all.
Yeah. Also, that means, Emma, we need to go find this door.
Alright. Dang it, why did I have to die?
Yeah, you can't contribute to this door finding thing that we're doing.
What about you one more? I mean, what is it with one more?
Dude, I'm on my last life.
Yeah, I'm also on my last life.
Hey, what about we do? We get all lives, you know, if none of us die, we don't have to leave or anything, or become a ghost.
Hyper, you're a ghost. Okay, let's go.
Guys, water! Water on bad news! Water on bad news! Where's water?
Oh.
Where's water?
What's the news?
He probably died.
No.
He probably died.
So now Hyper's a ghost.
I lost my base. I like lost my fortress.
Yeah.
We have to look for the door.
Yeah, we gotta look for this door somewhere. Gotta check every wall.
Guys, what if I told y'all I'm running away? I'm gonna go find. Woo!
My god.
Bro,
Anyways.
I need to find our base.
Oh, your base over here. Under your bases. Under your bases. Come
The
here.
ghost will show you.
Do you promise me, bro, please?
Yeah. Hey, what if we went back to the place where the key was found? Let's see if the door is closed there.
Here. Leon, do you have enough room for this? Who needs this?
Got this.
Yeah, we got. We don't really need to do it. Hyper, you can get on blocks.
I'm feeling
We should be good now.
I'm dead.
Hyper, you've been dead.
Not really. I'm about to die though. I'm again.
Okay. This is dumb. I really shouldn't be doing this.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm already dead. So why would you kill them?
Y'all see that?
I'm just spectating y'all.
Yeah.
I'm spectating in like in Among Us or something.
I'm literally just going on my
I am.
right now, literally. Check my battery. We're good, so like.
I'm gonna drink a nice Pepsi.
Hyper, you might want to get up.
I'm just gonna chill, you know? I'm just gonna chill.
Wait, how many lives do you have left, Emma?
Take off.
Hey, how many lives do you have left? One?
We're both down to one.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Wait, didn't we have 3 lives? Or was it 2 lives?
2.
2 lives. That's still an even.
I'm gonna get to that
I was
highest one.
thinking, I was thinking like what a ghost should do. Maybe like a ghost should carry supplies for whoever's
Sure.
like wanting them to. Like if y'all would want me to, I'd carry like health potions for you, or do like a med kit almost. Wait, Emma, how does she do that? How does she do that? She just disappears. You can look away for 1 second, then she's gone.
Oh, sorry, she went over here.
VR mission ISS.
This thing is freaking fast.
Epic roller coaster.
Kill me! Kill me! Something kill me.
And have a bunch of
I'm probably
Yeah.
dead anyways.
Emma's more of a ghost than you are.
I have
She-
Requiem, Echo VR, AIM, SAR VR chat, and Onward. And PokerStars VR.
Oh, you have all of
And-
those? Dang, I have the same things. Hey,
I
bro, we
have
should
5
play some
minutes of
Onward later.
Freddy's help wanted.
We should play some Onward. Yeah. Yeah,
I'm down.
Let me see. I have, let me check my menu. Okay, I have...
I love how we're opening Goblin Apocalypse and we're talking about what games we have.
Okay, I have Red Room, well, listen closely. I have Red Room, D-Saber, Onward, Epic Roller Coasters. I have, Echo VR. I have Gorilla Tag, Population 1. I have VR Chat, Drunken Bar 5. I have Pistol Whip, Easter for PD, Richie's Punch
Thank you.
Games, Color Space, State, PokerStars VR, Arizona Sunshine, Rush, Bark, Mission ISS, Star Chart,
Oh, do you have Red Matter?
Red, no, I do not have Red Matter.
Yeah, that's a very complicated game.
I'm trying to give up to get beat.
I almost died. Okay.
But I'll play extra plus maybe.
Bro,
Piper, I almost joined you.
go on your Oculus menu, so stay still.
I almost joined
Almost
you.
what?
I almost joined you.
Okay, I got you.
Where did he go? Look how it counts.
Oh no! Behind
Moving IKEA was a very dangerous place.
IKEA. The Swedes knew that. The Swedes knew that, bro. The Swedes knew that.
My god.
Behind you.
Why you They appear behind you.
We're good. Even though I'm on my last life, we're
Yeah, we
good.
need to find them.
I'm on my last life, we're good. You know that. I love how it's like 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. For me, it's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. For me.
Nice.
Here's a sword.
We have a lot.
I
of
wish I was
swords.
there to give you a high five.
Where do you live?
Yeah. Anyways, let me mark the next day.
Guys, high five. Every high five, ghost mode. Ghost.
Wait, hold on.
Well,
I live in Florida, and right now it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
It's also
Yeah,
1
purple.
o'clock in the morning where I'm at.
Ghost 5. No, Ghost
Where
5.
you
No,
live?
actually, no, this is the Ghost 5.
Florida, Mike. Oh, nice.
Okay, so the Ghost 5.
Okay. Guys, high five. We made it through wave
five.
5.
Ghost 5.
yeah,
Everyone give me a Ghost 5.
You guys.
Yeah. Florida.
That's not a Ghost 5.
Florida.
That's not a Ghost
Yeah.
5. That's an actual high five. A Ghost
Yeah.
5 is this.
What? I got
We need
you.
to waste no more time. We need to find this door and leave before all of us are
Yeah,
dead.
let's go.
Okay.
We
Well, I'll do that. I'll do that. How's
Yeah,
my
we need-
Ghost?
we need
I'll
everybody.
go.
We need everybody to do this.
Well, okay. Well, I'll see you later then. I'm gonna go over here then.
Okay. So let's investigate. The key was found over here by
I think
Hyper.
it's this
Rest
door.
his soul. Rest his soul. So, what do you guys think it would like lead to?
Probably like the, either an exit or either more better
I've
weapons.
checked every door. I don't think these things actually do anything. The doors, I think it was just for decoration. So
The thing
it
is,
can't be that.
the thing is, since we found it over here, that
Something
means
seems-
it should be probably far away.
Something seems to be suspicious about this room.
It really is, cause it's just the way it
Check
walks.
behind
and
over here.
everything.
Oh, shoot.
The sign? There's something
Water.
on the sign. Looks like
Water, where you at,
like
bro? Right here. Okay.
Where?
As soon as as it turns dark, run straight to the base, okay?
Yeah.
Like,
Or you can get up here.
oh yeah, that's right. Just stay right here.
We need everybody
Yeah,
to
or up here.
split up.
Just on.
We need everybody to split up and check rooms.
Well, I ain't gonna split up. I'll only keep water company because he has drift on, so like it can be pretty hard. So like, I'll keep him company. And me and him are also do some parkour on these shelves.
Where are you?
What?
Jesus.
Water. What?
I'm right here.
I'm still. Yeah, I'm up here still.
Come down here. Come down.
Okay. You want to make it? Bro, wait! You want to make a new base? I have an idea. Guys,
Do we have to like wait until a certain point or something?
Hey guys, here you go. Right, it's some deliveries.
How you doing?
Thank you.
Oh, step on phone. Alright, hold on. Can I get it? Alright.
I only have so many pockets.
get me more beds. Yeah, give
All
me
right.
more beds. Give me
Hey.
more beds. Give it to me.
Hey,
give it to me.
here guys,
I got
guys,
it.
guys, you don't need one. You don't need some of these. Here. Since I'm a ghost, I'll give you these. Here you go.
Thanks, bro. You're the best. You're the best. You're the best.
You have to hold them. You have to hold them with the
Okay, wait. There is.
Okay.
Well, put them in your.
Also, if anybody's watching this to this point, please tell us if you guys know where the exit would be. We are investigating top to bottom.
I had to do it.
Let's
I'm
check
sorry,
the other-
guys.
You know those don't empty, right?
I know. I almost be drinking some. Oh crap!
This benefits me.
Hey!
That doesn't
I'm
benefit
good
me.
at running. Yeah, I'm good at running.
Get up here. Get up here. Get up here.
I'm dead.
We're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
Guys, I'm already dead. I'm already dead.
Wait. Almost died. Almost died.
Hi.
Karma kid.
You think there's something on those signs? Here, I'll go. I'll make sure. Could be something. Oops, sorry. Hyper, you might be attracting these goblins.
No, they're over there. They're dying over there. They need help.
Grab them.
So. Oh, I already did. And I didn't. And hey, I didn't use weapons. I pushed them under the ground. I hacked them under the ground. So they're still there. I never. Really
Oh my
did
god.
anything. Oh my god.
They're
What?
fine.
You can move that? Wait, you can move that?
Oh my god.
What? I'm coming up there. Give me a second. Oh.
We still need to focus on their situation.
I'll go help them. Y'all guys, I'll lure these guys away from you, okay? You just keep building. I'm over here.
This is grabbable.
Come get me. Come on, come get me. Oh. Okay, man.
Well then.
A sacrifice.
So, I don't know what we do. Oh, so the hour timer just went off for me to change.